Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Garage Unfiltered, and welcome back. And I hope you could be seen. Mr. Huey, you probably saw in another video that the PT Cruiser, that wonderful piece of Americana, was sitting over there. Went and got the key to this 300 SL. Now it's been a week since we pushed this in here, and you know we're going to unzip this very highly secure garage here, and we're going to see if this thing, now that it's been sitting, might start. You know, I don't know, but whoops, and then I'm losing my little ball here. Oh, can't lose them balls.
Yeah, you need your balls.
I need my balls. All right, let's see if this. Now, we put everything back together in it when we put it in here, right? The air cleaner and everything is on?
Yes.
Okay, so
Plugged in.
Everything's all plugged in. Let's see if this turd in the bucket may start.
Woo!
Oh,
That was a nice backfire.
wow. Are we too rich?
Rich now.
Yeah, we're really rich. That's the first time we've ever had, folks, a backfire on this car. Holy moly. Yeah, that was...
Yeah, we don't have the right mixture in yet.
Yep. Wow.
All because of that damn potentiometer.
Yeah. Okay, well, yeah, we could get this up in the, whoops, let's pull back, there we go. Wow, that was, never heard that out of this car, from a fuel injected car, folks. So, do we want to tinker with it, or we just want to say it didn't start again?
Start again.
Okay, let's put the head back down. The heck with it.
Can't really do anything without that potentiometer.
Well, we'll have to.
That right mixture in it.
So, and that brings me, folks, to, I think I may have to get out a credit card and do the old the eBay thing. I found two complete kits, or complete the fuel distributor with the air meter all together with its own potentiometer. Everything is there. $250 free shipping, $299 $17.50 shipping. I might as well step up to the plate and just go in debt more on this piece of shit. I still like this car.
I know what's wrong with it.
What?
No
It says,
gas.
oh no, this one, we know it has gas. Yeah, folks, if you refer, I might even put the link down in the description of the previous video with this where it was no gas.
That was funny.
Oh gosh, that was hilarious. So I might just pull that short in there too, where we were, but that was 2 years ago.
Oh well.
You know, we've been messing with this car for that long. So I guess we'll kind of button up our high secure garage here. You lost your ball now.
Yeah. I found the hole. There we go.
That's what she said.
Look at that. So secure.
Man, that's secure. Security at its finest. All right, folks. Well, sorry for the short video, but there you go. It still won't start, and with one heck of a backfire. Thanks for watching. Share this with your friends. Hit subscribe. Do all that crazy stuff, because you know I'm still trying to build this channel, and in this channel there was no Trump stuff. You know, I could talk about Dozing Donnie, but I didn't. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.